So hey guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna just chat with you guys for a little bit while I take my products, my NutriBurst NRG, my fight. I'm about to do my quick little workout. But so hey guys, what's going on? What day it is? I don't even know what day it is, but happy day. So I'm just how to get my mood together. You know how sometimes you can wake up in the morning ready to get the day started, and something just come and just try to knock it out, but it's okay. I'm regrouped. I'm back. If I get this open. So guys, I'm just truly grateful and thankful for this year, where things are going. Let me just say, this is my energy, this is how it looks. Take my news first. So let me just say, I put a post up yesterday, and you guys are gonna see me and my fiance and my daughter. We went to go look at some houses, some homes, some mobile/manufactured homes, because that's what we're interested in. You know what I mean? I should get the sunlight. Oh, this way is better. Hold on. Take this real quick. I wish I had my. Let's see some of that. So we've been looking for mobile homes and modular homes for a while now, because I'm ready to move out of New York, and I just really want one of those homes. So we're here in North Carolina, like I told you guys, and we went to Walmart. And the place that we were looking at, we were watching for so long on YouTube and online, my fight. And I wasn't expecting to, go actually see the place. It was just something we were just looking at. Little do you know, we get out of Walmart, and my fiance goes, "Ain't that the spot?" I was like, "Oh snap, yeah, you gotta go. And wow, we was able to go. We was able to look at these homes, y'all, and I just got so open, y'all. So I took a picture. Oh, look at that dog. So I took a picture and I put it on, my social media. Just this how you can tell that y'all don't read. This is how everybody just be so nosy all up in your Kool-Aid, and nobody's reading what the post says. So I put a picture of me in front of the house, and two pictures inside the house. The kitchen is to die for. And everybody's commenting, congratulations. But if you read the post, it says manifestation. You know what I mean? I felt like, I wanted to share this so I can look back a year from now, and who knows, I may have my house. You never know. But I will have my house. Let me speak it into existence. So that's what the post was about, speaking it into existence, that me and my family are living in the home of our dreams, because we deserve it. You know what I mean? And we can have it. So why not go visit that house? Go drive that car. Go, try them shoes on. That's what manifestation is about. You being in the environment and feeling it before it even happens. So if you're watching this, thank you to everybody who said congratulations, you deserve it. I'm accepting that now, because when I do get the house and do show y'all gonna say the same thing. So why not feel that feeling of joy and acceptance and bliss and accomplishments now? You know what I mean? Because that's the feeling I'm gonna feel when I do go ahead and purchase my house for my family. You know what I mean? So just wanted to get that straight. I didn't buy the house yet. I went to go see the house that I wanted so I can manifest it. And I know, in my head, what do I have to work towards to get my house? So it's all about manifestation, y'all, and going to see, what you want. And that's what I've been saying all, this year. Whatever you want wants you. You know what I mean? Stop. It's not the time to be lazy no more, y'all. If you're watching this, stop being lazy and get off your ass and go figure out what is your purpose, what it is that you want to do, and crush those goals right now. It's still February, the beginning of the year, so you got plenty of time. So just make sure you that you're writing down your goals and your dreams, y'all. And if it's something that you want, go see it. This is something I read a while ago. It goes, see it before you see it, and then eventually you'll see it, something like that. But you get what I'm trying to say. So if you got a car that you've been wanting to get for the longest, go to the dealership. Go check the car out. Go test drive the car. If you got a house or an idea of what kind of house you want, and you wanna see it, go see that house. Go feel how it would feel to walk into your doors and say, you know what, this is my new home. And that's exactly what we did yesterday. We went into that house and we was like, wow, this is our home. This is it. I was like, Kalia, do you like your new room? I love my bathroom. I love my tub. I love my closet. I love my bedroom. All that stuff, y'all, is part of manifesting your dreams. And of course, you know, faith without works is dead. So if you're doing all the manifestation stuff and you're not pushing yourself to get you one step closer and putting in the work, then it's like, hey, it's just a dream. You know what I mean? But I don't want my dreams just to be in my head. I want to see my dreams. Okay, so let me take my NRG. I want you guys to check out these clips of us looking at this home, this beautiful home, my beautiful home. Excuse me. And I hope it motivates and inspires you to go and go check out your home. If you know this is the year you ready to move, or you just want something different this year, go check out that home. Go check out that outfit in the store. Go check out them shoes. Go check out that car. Go check out that real estate, you know, agency. You know, just go check it out, because you never know, okay? So I'm about to get my workout in. I'm going to do some jump roping. I'm about to take my NRG. And I'm going to chill. And I'll see you guys in my next video, y'all. And go subscribe to my family channel, because we have a lot of great content coming for you guys. And on that channel, so go check it out. The link will be down below, and I see you guys. Have an awesome and amazing day, and don't forget, today is your day. Okay guys, so listen, just come along and I will explain everything later, but listen, I want you guys to see this. Is so pretty. I can do this different room. I'll come back to the kitchen, y'all, but listen, me and my fiance, we have been looking for so long at mobile homes and trailer homes and things like that, and we finally are inside of one. Oh my gosh, this is so great. This is a bedroom? Okay, this is nice. Let me see. This is like a guest room. No, guest room. Because I want to see, come Kalia, what, you know, how close to the room. And look at the bathroom. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Wow, let me feel this. I always wanted to feel it. It's towel, okay.
It's a big bathroom, bro.
I know, a guest room. This is crazy.
Wow, the lights working?
I mean, guest bathroom. Wow.
The lights do work. This is a big tub. Oh,
I seen it. And y'all, this is a mobile home, y'all. This is not some house. This is a This is considered a house, but wow, look at. Is this the master bed, babe?
Yeah, might be.
This gotta be the walk-in closet. And this is definitely the master room.
Closet, man.
Sorry, like, oh my.
Walk-in closet. Look at this. They got an attic too. Look at that.
Babe, if you don't get in this master bathroom,
ooh, we seen this one.
We seen
on
this
YouTube.
one. We seen this one. We could fit in the tub, like, oh, it's so deep.
Yo, we get one like this. We get one like this. Yo.
Oh my gosh, this shower is crazy.
This is what we seen.
Oh, I think so, yeah.
Yes. Look at this tub, guys. You talking about taking a bath? Now I'm a bath, dude. I love bath. I got this window. These two big windows right here are nice.
Look at this.
Oh, little sinks.
Wow.
Wow.
This is, come on, Kalia.
Cabinet space.
The toilet, nice and personal.
Wow, look at this stand-up shower. Yo, this is...
So this is a 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
This is a 1.
No, 3-bedroom. It's a master room. 2
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Wow, this is amazing.
Man.
Y'all, cause you know we better get out of New York. We've been in New York our whole life. We've been, you know, back and forth between North Carolina and New York, and we really just wanted to get a mobile home. You know, just something just. This is amazing.
This is nice.
She got plenty of space to run around. Look at the pantry.
Wow.
Not bad. Me and I never had a pantry.
This is beautiful, man. This is something I can live in right here. And this is a mobile home. Man, this is beautiful, man. I'm telling you, this is something that my goal right now is to give me a nice big mobile home.
Now I'm gonna check out the outside. This is really nice, y'all.
Really nice.
This is crazy.
Come over here.
Got your steps. And all this could be picked up and dropped right off to you. Y'all, it's time to dream bigger and better, y'all. And my goal is for us to get a nice house.
Let's go to the other one over here.
We're gonna go, and it doesn't have to be a house like a house. I just want us to live nice, a nice house. And a mobile home is definitely where we were going. So,
Wow.
This is amazing, y'all. See, they have a lot of houses here on their property.
Come on, baby.
And we're gonna go check a few out, so stay tuned. Wow.
Wow, this is huge too.
This is so nice. Look at the kitchen. I like this island, yo. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. This is nice. Wow.
This is 3-bedroom? This is 3-bedroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here, don't touch, Kalia. Don't touch.
126.
126 for this?
Mm-hmm.
What?
3 bed, 2 bath. Come on.
$126,000 for this. Oh, you shit.
All right, let's go. Come here,
That
Khalil.
might be the master. I don't know. I'm trying to wait. Let me see.
Oh, this? No, I don't think it's the master. Oh, never mind. Wow, guys, this is nice. Oh, okay, little walk-in closet. Wow. Oh my, I'm sorry. I had to go to the master bathroom first. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is unbelievable. This is just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I could definitely do. And you know I love me a deep tub. This is nice and deep. I think me and Elsa could fit in here. Wow. This is crazy.
That's the master, right?
Yep. Come on.
This is nice. The other one is better though.
I don't know. The way they got that bathroom in there is
Let me
nice.
see.
This is the guest bathroom. Oh, this is nice. Smell like they've been brushing their teeth in here. Hey, hey. Ho, ho. Wait. The bathroom connects to the washer and dryer? Okay. Got a closet over there, nice sink. This is nice. I'm like, wow. We come here a little, this could be like a little office space, a little desk space. I like that because I can really sit here, get some work done. This is another bedroom. This could be Kalia's room, you know, or the next room. She don't need that much space. This is gorgeous, and this is the next room. Everything carpet. I like carpet. It's just, you know. Then again, I would get the carpet pulled up. I don't think I want carpet. And then the back, you know, the back porch. So this must be a single wide, right? This is a single wide.
Why?
This double? So how is it double?
This is split right here. All split.
Oh. So the other one is better. It looks a little more bigger. But this kitchen, though.
The other kitchen is bigger though.
Get me in this kitchen. This girl. I'm so open, y'all. It's not even funny. It's just crazy because we've been looking. We wanted to get one at the beginning of this year, but we didn't. We just decided to wait, get our coins together. But I'm so ready to get back to work. I mean, not back to work, but go even harder because this is exactly what I want. She's funny. Come on, Kalia.
All right. This one?
Come on, this is exactly what we wanted. So stay tuned, y'all. This is a single? Come on.
Opening my door like this is my new door.
I know, right?
My new key. This can't be it because it ain't working. It's locked. So There gotta be another one.
She
Get grandpa.
out of New York, so
Yeah.
come back to the
We
south.
used to live here in North Carolina.
What part?
Chapel Hill.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the kitchen.
Yeah, this is nice. This is laundry room?
This is pantry or laundry?
Laundry room.
Okay,
Oh,
laundry.
this have a pantry, do it? No.
It's all right here. Yeah, this right here.
This will be the side.
That's your back door. It's got a huge tub and a nice bath.
And this is what, the living room area?
This is master bathroom.
Oh, master bedroom.
There's a tub right here, baby.
It's got a separate shower, separate tub.
And that's
Yeah,
what I
this is
like.
nice.
Wow, I
Yeah.
like this.
Single wide.
Yeah.
Okay, this is I like the.
You want one?
No.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
This is perfect for us three.
Yes.
Really.
Yes.
How many bedrooms is this?
3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
3. Wow.
One of those is
This a closet?
Oh yeah. Real nice walk-in closet.
Wow.
This is 59. 59,000. Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Very affordable.
What?
Yep. 8-foot flat ceilings, recessed
Get out
skylight.
of here.
Yep.
Come on, Kalia, leave the door.
I can buy that right now.
I know, right? Wow.
Oh, man.
People pay that much for cars and trucks these days.
Exactly, you know? This is the bedroom. Kalia, you like your room? Yeah. Got you a little closet. Let's see.
This is the bigger room out of the one.
This is a second bathroom. Okay, not bad.
It's not
I had 4 kids. I raised them in a house just like this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, right.
We know what it's like to live in Little Green Bean.
I'm a girl.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.